Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I do everything on an extremely tight budget. Hopefully this cash stuffing will not be as long as my last one. And I did realize that, guys, I never put my debt in the teal notebook that I was talking about, so we're gonna have to deal with that one today. But today I'm doing a quick cash stuffing. It's actually the same exact day, guys. I just unfortunately got paid twice this week. They were 3 days apart, but right now I'm getting down to filming it. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, wait, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 11, and 12. So I have $212 that I'm going to be cash stuffing today. So, how are you guys? You guys doing good? I see you came back. Thank you. And if you're new, you're going to want to come back because I'm a genius. Okay, I'm kind of like an evil genius who's not that smart or bright, but it's okay. And we all have fun over here. Okay, and we're learning great things. So, that is what is important. I'm going to go ahead and shove those. Oh, let me see if I can pull this up a little bit more. Alright, we're going to shove those right over there. So, the first thing that we are going to be doing today is we're going to be doing my bill binder. So, the first one is going to be getting, this is for my rent. I'm not going to count this today because I want this video to go by quick, but I'm putting in $20 going toward the rent for February. My electric bill is going to be getting $20. I'm in like a really weird position. Let me see if I can move you guys up a little bit. There we go. A little bit better. Okay. Would you like the light on? Is that brighter? Alright, so gas is going to be getting $40 in this one. So I have $20 and $40 going toward that gas bill. Just going to shove this in here. And we are done with this because we did most of it earlier this week. So throw that over there. The next one is going to be my everyday binder. Or this is my wallet, I should say. I actually like the fact that this is on there. Because it kind of hides what's in there. I'm actually doing the Dave Ramsey Financial University with my church, and I told them about how I do sinking funds, and they were all like, what is that? Like the envelope, blah, blah, blah. And I was showing them it, but I didn't want to show them all like the money that was inside, so I feel like this is good to kind of hide it, especially when you're out in public. You know, that's my fear. Alright, so gas is going to be getting $20. Now, because this is still the same week, just two different stuffings, I'm not going to do any rollovers because I have not even left my little table over here. So that's why I'm like, that just took me like 45 minutes to film those videos. I'm doing it quick. I don't want to be here all day. Just put your money in the envelope and let's go. Alright. So, gas is now at $40. It's usually cost me about $40, and then 40 to 50 depending on like where I get the gas and how much it costs. Because I haven't really been doing anything, I've been putting in about $30, and then I take that 10 and I've been putting it back here into my deposit just to put it in my bank, so that way, you know, I could do something with it. But it ended up going into rollover last time. Groceries not getting anything, household is not, but pet care is going to be getting $10. It cost me $30. Actually, I think I just said 10, I meant 5. But it cost me $15 for cat litter now. if I buy like the medium size one, which I have 2 cats, so I either have to buy that one or the large one. The large one is now $20. Now, last year, the large one was $15 and the medium one was about $9. And I'm just like, I'm every time I'm like, I love my animals, but do I really? I'm gonna talk to my son and see if he can start contributing, because it is his. Sorry, I'm like moving this, but it is his animal. So I'm wondering if every single month he could just like give me 5 or 10 to take care of them. He gives me $300 to go toward bills because I pay for everything, but he knows that I'm kind of struggling right now, so yeah. But I have 5, 10, and 15 for my animals. So I should be able to buy them like a lot of food. But hopefully I don't need litter, because I stopped buying litter boxes because 1, Walmart never has them. But 2, I've just been buying them bins. Like the $6 Sterilite bins from Walmart. That's like, I don't even know, like you could put half your stuff in there, like the huge bins. And I've been buying those because one of my cats is so big that he'll sit on the edge and poop right on the floor. And it's not because the litter box is dirty, it's because he's too big for it. So I have like these huge bins now, like I don't even know, 16-gallon bins or quart bins. I don't know how to explain it, but they're pretty big. They're what you put like all your Christmas stuff in and all that stuff. But this one is not going to be getting anything right now. Anything more right now, I should say. Just throw that back there. Alright, the next thing is going to be my family binder. My family binder is going to be getting a couple things. So my daughter, she has been, because I kind of made her do it. So that's why I'm paying her. But she has been volunteering to watch like the smaller kids at church, because when we have our class, it's right directly after church. So there's a 9 o'clock service and a 10 o'clock service, but this is a 2-hour class. So it goes from, 9 o'clock service, a 10:30 service. Our class goes from 10:30 to 12:30. So after 11:30, there's no like daycare. And so I told my daughter, I was like, you should volunteer, because in the summertime, they're going to be looking for babysitters. And she's good with kids, actually. And so I've been having her do that. And then it just came onto me that it was like, hey, maybe you should be paying her, because the church is like, oh my God, you're so amazing. And my daughter's like, I don't want to do this anymore. You know? So I'm just going to be giving her $7 today. This is part of her allowance, but also for the church things. And I told her straight out, like, if you do not start contributing and doing your chores, you're not getting anything. She has her own cash binding system. So does my son. This is the red one. So if you ever see me cash stuffing with that, that's his money. His money only. He sits down, does a budget. My daughter, I'm forcing her to do that as well, because it wasn't until mid-30s after a bankruptcy that I figured out what I was doing with money. So, and I'm still learning every day. But I'm giving her a church allowance, which is $5, and then I pay her Monday through Friday $1 a day on what she does. So, again, $7. So she has 10, 15, 16, and 17. And whenever she wants, she can just come and take this money and put it into her envelopes. Alrighty. Let's see. I feel like my thing is weird. Sometimes it records from the side, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see, school activities, getting nothing. I need family, which is this one. And this one is going to be getting $10. Now I do have some gift cards, so that way we can go to like the cinema, like to go see a movie and stuff. I don't think that there's anything that they want to see now, but just putting that in there. But I have $10 and $15. But I want to go like to the go-kart track with my kids. But my kitties are not getting anything. College, no. Alrighty, that is all done. My next one is going to be my pink binder. My pink binder, I have to put it in for birthdays. This one right here, you're probably not going to see a lot unless I'm doing something back here. It's usually going to just be for the car maintenance for right now until I can bulk up my other forms of income or cash envelopes, however you say it. But Thanksgiving's not, birthdays. My son's birthday is going to be in March. He's going to be 19 years old. And then my grandma's birthday is this month. So I'm going to be giving her $5. And then car maintenance is going to be getting $5. So 5, 10, 30, and 50. So $50 in car maintenance. My goal right now is to get past baby step 1, which is my emergency fund. Once I'm on 2, I'm going to start putting like a lot of money toward my credit cards, which I pay monthly, so it's in my bill binder. But I want to get those down to 0. And then I want to start bulking up everything for like in here. So saving for a house, saving for car, saving for like the car maintenance, saving for when shit hits the fan, all that good stuff is what I'm trying to put in there. The next one is going to be my dream binder. And I just say it because it says follow your dreams. So we're going to be putting in Silver Scream Con, which is in August. It's something that we actually do as a family. I'm hoping to bulk up this one super quickly so that way I can actually get the concert tickets because they sell out super quick. But I have 20, 40, and 45 in my Silver Scream Con. Alright, so then next one is going to be car savings, which this one right here is for an Easy Pass. I don't know if you guys are like, what is that for? It's basically Easy Pass in AAA. But when you don't really have a car, you don't have to worry about it, right? This is for car. My car maintenance. I don't know. Oh, I think it's in the pink binder. Alright, this one is going to be getting $5, which brings me to 20, 40, 55. Guys, I've only been cash stuffing this month and I'm extremely low income, so I feel like I'm doing really good. I'm saving a lot of money. Vacation is going to be getting $5. So I have 5 and 10 in there. Alright, the next one is going to be this one, which I only have one in here. It's going to be for my taxes. Let's see if I can find it right here. I'm going to do my taxes soon. So I have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, which would bring this to 37 because I'm putting $5 in there. So again, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, and 37. Alrighty. I don't think I have anything else. Right now, my goal is sinking funds. Or not sinking funds, emergency savings. So, you go ahead and just grab this one. So, this is where I messed up last time, guys. I forgot to put this in there. And so, am I putting anything toward that today? I do not think so. Alrighty. So, I have my blue, as I throw it at myself, my blue marker. I'm not putting anything in here today, but I wanted to definitely count it and cross off my boxes. So I have $25. So 10, 20, 25. These are all worth 5. All right, so I finally put this in there, so it should stay in there. So right now we're gonna do our savings challenges. Again, this one doesn't have anything, but I am gonna be doing my emergency fund and my laptop. Ooh, and I'm missing pages. All right, so my laptop is going to be getting $20 today. But this one right here has 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm just leaving this as it is because I need to move on with my life. This video is already like 30 minutes long. Okay, so my emergency funds is where is that? All right. So with my emergency funds, I am going to be putting in another $20. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Don't really know why I'm counting that, but apparently I am. So let's just go ahead and put this in there. But look at that. I already have $80 and the month's not even over yet. Like, doing good, guys. And then I have $20 left and that goes to my college. Just in my black binder, which I forgot. Hey, at least my rent was at the end of the video today. I don't know. But I'm going to put $20 in there. So I have 20, 40, 45, and I have 50. So that is good. The reason why, well, I shouldn't say the reason why, but the first thing that I did when I budgeted this all out this week, whatever, or this paycheck, is I actually took the money aside so that way I can buy the school supplies that I needed. And I don't have my books yet, but I have everything that I need for my books. I believe I got approved for financial aid, but I go tomorrow to talk to. So my phone just ran out of memory. But what I was saying is basically I paid for my school supplies and I paid my church, like my tithes to my church before I did this budget. So that's why it's a little bit different, but yes, I feel good about this budget, and this month I'm doing pretty good. So I hope that I could keep up the momentum. I can keep it going, and yeah, I hope that you guys are doing really good too. I know that this is new to some of you guys. I know that it's not new to some of you guys and you're just looking for new ways, but believe me, like, we're doing this. We got this, and you know, we're doing pretty good. So I'm proud of us, okay? I hope that you guys have a really, really good day, really good week, and I'm gonna see you guys later, okay? Bye.